Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. Today is a great big chore day. We got a lot of things we got to get done. Right now we are heading up and we're going to feed Porky. And then we got to go to the feed store and get some shavings and stuff like that because we got to clean the pig pens. We do that every weekend. And then we got to come back here. We got to get all our peppers pulled out of the garden. We got to get the ditch weed eated. Actually, I'm brush hogging it with the tractor. So try to get some aerial views of that, get the drone out and see if I can get some good footage of all that. And we got quite a few other things we got to get to. We got to fix a water bucket or feed bucket for Petey. Apparently he tore it all up. But anyways, so let's go ahead and get at it. Sit back and relax. Alright, up here, Porky. Our pen's not too bad. These two over here, well, I haven't two of them in one pen like yet. They destroy it within 3 or 4 days. So I'm gonna have my son mix up the feed, and I'll film him doing it. So let's get this food mixed up. Grab that blue bucket, Wyatt. Okay. Gonna get 2 scoops of grain first.
This?
Yep. No, grain. Make sure they're full scoops. That's good. Yep.
It's just a couple bags.
Yep. You're gonna get 1.5 of those out of that. Yep. Now you're gonna get almost a full, like 3/4 scoop of that. That should give a full because we're out of the other stuff. Yep. Yep. Now put it down in the bucket and dump it because it's really fine. Yep. Knock it on the side there. Okay, put that in there and lock it down. Knock it on the side, make sure it all comes out. There you go. That's good. Let's throw it in that bag. More yogurt. Stir. Mix it up nice and slow. Gotta get the yogurt mixed up.
Too much on this.
Check their food, Wyatt. Probably had 3 sanitized.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the feed store and see if we can get some shavings and a bunch of other stuff. Then we're gonna come back here, clean these stalls, and Then we'll go back to the farm and get some things done.
They just paved it.
They sprayed it.
Kind of put a handicap park in there.
Okay guys, we're back down here at the hobby farm and took care of the pigs. They're all done. Cleaned them all up, weighed them. One of the feeder pigs is at 201, which is a lot of weight. I got to get to 230, which I think I got 10 days to do that. So we'll see. 10, 11 days. That's a lot of weight to put on a pig in that many days. Porky's at 209, 210, somewhere right around there. So she's doing good. We got a couple weeks before the fair for her, so she'll be at a good weight. The feeder pig is my concern. It will, I'll be right there. We'll see what happens. But other than that, they're cleaned up, weighed, washed, pens are clean, all that good stuff. I didn't want to film a whole lot of that because I filmed a lot of the pigs in the last couple of days. So, but right now I'm going to go ahead and get the drone out, give you some aerial view of the property, and I'll go ahead and show you that right now. Now I don't usually fly that thing very often. Hopefully the shots were decent. Now the ditch line, I'm in the process right now of using the brush hog to mow it down a little bit. So I'll get you some footage of that. And when we got later today, when it cools down, it is steaming hot today. It's probably almost 90 degrees and there's no breeze. But later today, I'm gonna get in the garden, get all the pepper plants pulled and the peppers picked for our last batch. And then kind of try to get that garden in somewhat shape. But then I might put some pumpkins in to see if they make it before Halloween. Other than that, I think that might be it for today. Tomorrow we got another whole list of chores to do. But we got to get the chicken coop cleaned, got to get some wood unloaded, all that good stuff. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. All right, guys, it's about, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the evening, and I am done with the chores. And a few things I didn't get to are getting the peppers out of the garden, which I'm going to do first thing in the morning. What else? I didn't get the other half of the ditch done. I'm going to do that in the morning. It was just super hot today. I just can't believe how hot it was. And now they were calling for some rain, but it looks like it all went north of us, so that's okay. So yeah, tomorrow I'll get all the peppers out of the garden. That'll just be a whole different video, I guess. Getting those out and see how many I get off there as far as second harvesting. I'm gonna thin out those tomato plants, get what I can off of them, and pull a few of them out because it's overrunning everything. And the Brussels sprouts are still going good, so we'll see. They say you're not to harvest those until like September or something, but I'm not 100% sure on that. We'll just see, you know, how they grow, if they even do. Like I said, it's the first time I've ever done them. But other than that, it's been a long day, so I think I'm gonna call it quits. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, obviously give me a good thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. Catch you guys later.